says it's 2 layered, so the product inside isn't gonna drip onto my face, which I also don't like. So it just looks like this, and it actually smells really good. Like, you could smell it when it first comes out of the package, but it's not too strong. It reminds me kind of like you're at a spa or something. And it just looks like this like white cloud looking shape, and it has like the little sticker in the front. So the first step is to place damp hair into the mask and then seal it with the sticker in front. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and wash my hair. So after I've just rinsed my hair with some water, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into this cap. I'm just supposed to take the back of the flap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pinch this little area right here so it gets really tight around my scalp, and then pull it all the way here so it's tight. And then while it's in my hair, you're just supposed to massage the mask into your scalp, and then you kind of feel the mask going into your hair. After you massage it into your scalp for about a minute, I just went ahead and resealed it because it got a little loose. And now it says to wait about 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wait around 30 and 40 minutes, maybe finish like an episode of Netflix, because my hair is really dry, so I really want these products to seep into my hair. So it's been about 40 minutes since I've let this sit in my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this all off. So I just came back from washing and blow drying my hair, and one thing I realized was that I had a little bit of product still left inside the mask, so I definitely could have massaged that into my hair a little bit more. But overall, I still think it worked perfectly fine. My hair is a lot smoother. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but I could definitely tell there's just a shine to it that wasn't there before. And also my color stayed the same because I do dye my hair, but the color still looks exactly how it was before I used the mask. And my hair still smells like that good original scent I had when I first opened the package. So overall, I really think this is worth it, even though it is a little bit inconvenient for you to shampoo your hair before and then rinse the contents out after. I think what it does to your hair is worth all that. Because of all that, I really recommend this to anyone who wants to try it, and I'm definitely going to pick up some more in the future.